Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make crunchy peanut butter. Peanut is also called groundnut because they obtain from the ground. This nut butter is very good source of protein and quite healthy as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make peanut butter. I've got a cup of raw peanuts. This is 150 grams. Roast the peanuts on a low flame for 3 minutes. It should not get burnt or turn black, so be careful while roasting. Peanut and peanut butter are full of nutrients, vitamins and minerals, and also it's a great source of protein which is very essential for growing kids. Peanuts are roasted well. Turn off the flame, transfer it to a plate, let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, remove the skin and add it to a blender. For the first 30 seconds, grind them on a pulse mode. Do not run the blender for a long time. Leave some gap and blend them because we need to grind them for 4 to 5 times or until you get a required consistency. You can prepare this peanut butter very easily in a blender. As you can see, oil has started to separate from the peanuts. Let's check the peanuts. It's not fully ground. I want my peanut butter to be crunchy. So in this stage, I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey. You can also add a tablespoon of jaggery or palm sugar of your choice, quarter teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. I've added salt and honey to make it little sweet, but you can skip that also. Can add stevia to make this sugar-free peanut butter. That's how I needed my peanut butter, nice and crunchy. Transfer it to a glass container. You can keep it outside on the counter for 2 to 3 weeks or refrigerate and use it for a long time. The best part about making peanut butter at home is you know exactly what goes in it and it's extremely easy to make. Spread a generous amount of peanut butter on a bread and you can pack this nutritious and delicious snack for your kids' lunch box, or you can serve as an evening snack. Do try this at home and enjoy the health benefits. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.